Welcome to Study English with Fun channel.
Welcome! Let's have fun! Yay! We love learning!
A for apple. Watch this. Ta-da! An apple. Hey, a ball. Let's kick it. C for cat. D, dog. E is for elephant. F for fish. Look, I found a fish. Here you go. Fish. Watch me transform. Whoa, glub glub, I'm a fish now. G, goat. That's me, the greatest of all time. Yeah! H, hat. A perfect fit. I is for ice cream. Yummy, cold, and sweet. Let's eat some. Ice cream. Delicious. J, juice. K, kite. Woohoo! Awesome. L is for lion. Look at this big friendly lion. Lions are so cool, right? Monkey time.
Woo-hoo! Ha-ha!
Woo-hoo! Hi, let's learn about the letter N. N is for nest. This is a bird's nest. It keeps eggs safe. O is for orange. This is the letter O. And this is an orange. Ah, my pencil. Time to get writing. Let's jot this down.
Q, queen. All hail the queen!
R, rabbit.
Whee! I'm a rabbit! Hop, hop!
And back. Hi there! Look what I have! It's the sun! A bright and sunny day! T is for tiger. Roar! I'm a tiger! U, umbrella. It's ready for any rain. Handy, right? Hey everyone, check out this violin. Let's play a tune. How's that sound? W is for water. Water is wet and splashy. W for water. X is for xylophone. Let's play a tune. La 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 la. Y, yellow. This is the color yellow. Z is for zebra. Look at the stripes on the zebra. Zebra starts with Z.
Zebra!
Thank you for watching Study English with Fun channel.
See you next video!
Goodbye.
Goodbye! A, apple. An apple is a sweet fruit. Example, I eat an apple every day.
A ball is a round toy.
A ball!
The girl plays with a ball.
Whee! A ball! This is a cat. A cat is a small animal. For example, the cat says meow. Aw, what a cute cat. D, dog. A dog is a friendly animal. An elephant is a big animal. The elephant has a long trunk. A fish lives in water. Look, a fish! The fish swims in the pond. G, goat. A goat is a farm animal. Example, the goat eats grass. Hat! A hat is on my head. Ice cream is a cold, sweet food. Example, she eats ice cream. J, juice. Juice is a drink from fruit. I drink orange juice. Delicious. The kite is flying high. L. A lion is a wild animal. Example, the lion is strong. I'm a monkey and I love to climb trees. Yummy banana! Nest. A nest is a bird's home. Example, the bird is in the nest. O, orange. An orange is a fruit. Example, the orange is sweet. P. A pencil is used to write. Example, I write with a pencil. A queen is a ruler. The queen wears a crown. A rabbit is a small animal. Look, it jumps! S. Sun. The sun gives light and heat. Example, the sun is bright. Oh, look, the sun! Hello, Mr. Sun. What a beautiful day. Hi, everyone. Today is letter T. T is for tiger. Roar, like this. What's that sound? T, tiger. That's the letter T. Grrr. Tiger. Bouncy, bouncy. Roar. Tiger. U, umbrella. Yay, then umbrella. Wee, spinny. Fun. W is for water. Watch the water splash. It's so much fun. X is for xylophone. Xylophone, xylophone, X, xylophone is so much fun. Y, yellow. Yellow, 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 yellow. Z is for zebra. Look, here comes the letter Z, and it turns into a zebra. Yay!
Let's study English with fun.
Hey, English learner!
Me too, it's great. Fun games. Thank you for watching Study English with Fun channel.
See you next video.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Welcome to Study English with Fun channel.
Welcome, let's have fun. Yay, we love learning. A, apple. B, ball. C says k, like cat. D says d, like dog. E, egg. F, fish. G, goat. H, hatch, hat. I, ew. J, juice. K, kite. L, lion. M, monkey. N, nest. O, orange. P, pencil. Q, queen. R, rabbit. S, sun. T, tiger. U, umbrella. V, violin. W, water. Let's learn some sounds. X makes the sound like in box. Y makes the sound like in yellow. Great job. Z, zebra. Zebra. Z is for zebra. Great job.
Thank you for watching Study English with Fun channel.
See you next video.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V